What's going on, pros? This is Mike with another Dirty Promotions video. I have here in the videos that I do produce for YouTube, you've seen me use a lot of different slip solutions for different films. A lot of films, they like different slip solutions. Every adhesive in film, they're going to be different. Even if people think or assume that they're the same, they're not. Some tack well with some slip solutions, some have a struggle of shifting with one or the other. So one slip solution does not fit all window films. But one of the things that I have observed over the many years, I think everybody already knows about this, but I will show you. There's always a lot of newbies in the forums, and they ask and they ask and they ask, and they normally follow and trot along what is most commented on the forum. So again, this slip solution is baby shampoo, and let me show you what it does or it doesn't do, and then I'm going to show you how I prevent all these things that you will see right here right now. Hopefully you can see right here. I'm going to move this real quick. Those are swimmers, a bunch of them. Baby shampoo, when used, these are bottles that I use almost on a daily basis. This perhaps is a day old or maybe day and a half, and you can see all those things, and these are picked up by your sprayer. And people ask about certain contaminants or this or globs of glycerin and whatever. You can see all these swimmers right here. The way that I prevent these guys from getting picked up into the tube and perhaps spatted or, you know, sprayed through this nozzle, very simple. I will put a filter on it, as you can see it right here. And of course, one of the things that I've also done here is I put a flex tubing at the top, so that whenever you're spraying inverted, this tip will follow, because since these tips, they're straight, so when you're in a back window, it won't move, it'll stay there. But on this one, it actually flexes to the side, so that's pretty neat. So not only am I controlling some of this stuff, all this yucky stuff that is in baby shampoo, that is going into my spray, my slip solution, I'm also have this real nice gadget right here, like a floater, kind of looks like a restroom floater, right? And it goes like, if I'm ever inverted or whatever. So I thought it was a neat thing to share with you guys. So, because I know even if we tell you so many times one slip is good or better or whatever, installers will be installers. They'll have their preference regardless of what anybody says. But I just want you to see firsthand, if you haven't seen it, because a lot of the bottles are like this from the store that people buy, and they can't see what's going on inside. I myself have them, but that's the reason I put filters on every single thing, because I do not know what each solution brings to the table, but I can see pretty much when it breaks down, it's pretty horrible. Glycerin, globs, all kinds of stuff that is put in baby shampoo. Remember, baby shampoo was made to keep babies' butts nice and lathered, and I guess moistured at the end of the shower, right? They're not supposed to be dry or nothing like that. That would be like dishwashing soap. That's the other thing that I also use. So anyway, want you to say, I hope you can see them clearly in there, swimming in there. Call them swimmers. I know it sounds nasty, but that's what they look like. There they are. Guys, have a great day. GoPro, stop recording.